A very good afternoon, class. Today in the morning there was a lot of issue because of the network, and due to that some of you couldn't join the class. So I'm just sending you this short video on the topic which we discussed today, and that is possessive pronouns. All of you know that when do we use pronouns? Pronouns are always used when you are replacing a noun. It is used instead of a noun. So with that, let's talk about possession now. You people remember we discussed about possessive noun when we were doing nouns. Possessive nouns, it shows belongingness or ownership, that something belongs to someone. Alright, so instead of using a noun, we will be talking about a pronoun today. We will be replacing noun with a pronoun. So possessive pronouns shows possession or ownership. Okay, they do the same thing what possessive noun used to do, but the difference is that instead of writing a noun, we will be writing a pronoun now. Now if you remember, we talked about first person, second person and third person when we were doing personal pronouns. We have to follow the same table, same rule for possessive pronoun also. We have singular and plural here. So whenever you are having first person and it is singular, you will always use mine, M-I-N-E. In plural, you will use ours. Second person, if you remember in personal pronoun it was you, here it will change into yours. And same for your plural pronouns. And in third person, it will be his, hers, and for plural it will be theirs. So if you are talking, first person is basically the speaker who is speaking something. Second person is basically the person to whom we are speaking to, and third person is the person about whom we are basically discussing. We are saying something about that particular person who is not present over there. So first person, if for example I want to say that this pen is of Harshita, obviously I will not say this thing that this pen is of Harshita. To show possession of this and to use a pronoun here, what I will write, this pen is mine. Okay, so the pronoun I have used here is mine. So singular, first person. Okay, now if I am talking about my family, okay, this house is of my family. So what I can write, this house is ours. Instead of writing this particular thing, I have written ours for the plural one. Now for example, if I am saying there is a boy Rohan, okay, he is Rohan, and I am talking to him, so and I am talking about a notebook with him. So what I can say, this book is yours. Okay, I am talking to Rohan that this book is yours. I am not saying Rohan, I am using pronoun yours. Now if you are having many students in the class, and there are notebooks with me, so for plural also I will be using the same pronoun. Instead of writing this here, I will be writing these notebooks are yours. So for second person it remains same. Third person, if we say his or hers. Now if I am saying there is a girl Nana and she is not here, I am discussing about you with Nana and about her bag. For example, this is her bag. So what I can say, this bag is hers, HERS. Okay. For his, now if there is a boy Karan and I am talking about his ball, I can say this ball is his. So I am using the pronoun his and hers for third person singular. Now when we are talking about third person plural, what you can say, for example, now this is Mr. and Mrs. Smith, for example. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and they are having a beautiful house. Okay, this is how we draw a house. Fine. So what I can say, this house is theirs. This house is theirs. So I am using theirs for a plural subject. Now I am talking about a plural noun, so I will be using theirs for third person plural. Another important thing which we discussed in today's class was possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Okay, so in possessive adjectives, what we do, adjectives basically they describe the noun. They will always describe the noun and will be placed before it. Okay, for example, if I am saying this is your car, so here your is your possessive adjective, okay, and it will come before car. And then possessive pronoun, what we do, we basically just show possession, that something belongs to something, and it is always used in place of a noun. Used in place of a noun. Rather than writing somebody's name, we will use a pronoun. For example, if I say this house is yours, so here yours will be your pronoun. I am not writing this house is of Karan or this is Karan's house. I am simply writing this house is yours. So this is what you have to remember, that in possessive pronouns they basically take the place of a noun. In first person you have mine singular, plural ours. Second person singular and plural yours remain the same. Third person it will be his or hers, and here it will be theirs. And you just have to learn the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Now let's talk about certain questions from the book. With this you will be able to have a good idea that how you have to change it. Now if I am saying that is your bag, okay, so now you have to change it. So what you can say, that bag is yours. Remember this thing, that the thing you are talking about will always come here in the beginning, and your pronoun and the word will come after that. So that bag is yours. Another example, The shirt belongs to him. So what you can write? The shirt is his. See, the shirt is here in the beginning, and belongs to him ki jagah we have written is his. Another example. These plants belong to you. Okay, so first of all, these plants belong to you. So let us take these plants here, these plants, and belong to you will change into are yours. You will change into yours. I hope you are clear with this concept. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.